Automate anything with NotebookLM? Here's how. You are spending hours doing work that a free AI tool can do in seconds. You are reading through long documents manually, you are making notes, creating summaries, building study guides, all by hand. And the worst part, there is a tool that already does all of this for you. It is completely free, and most people have no idea it just got a massive upgrade. Hey, I am Julian. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I help people learn how to use AI tools in practical real-world ways. No hype, no fluff, just things that actually work. Today we are talking about Google NotebookLM. I want to show you exactly what it does, how to get started for free, and the new features that just dropped, because they change everything about how you can use this tool. Stick around because later I am going to show you real-world use cases that will change how you handle research, content creation, and learning. And I will also tell you about a community that helped me figure out which AI workflows actually save time versus which ones are just a distraction. So first, what is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research assistant, but here is what makes it different from tools like ChatGPT. NotebookLM only uses the sources you upload. It does not pull from the open internet. Every answer it gives you comes with citations, pointing back to your exact source material. No hallucinations, no made-up information, just answers grounded in the documents you actually uploaded. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, Google Slides, websites, YouTube videos that pulls the transcript automatically, audio files, images of handwritten notes, and even Google Sheets. On the free plan, you get 100 notebooks, up to 50 sources per notebook, and 50 chat queries per day. That is more than enough for most people. And to get started, go to notebooklm.google.com, sign in with your Google account. It is completely free. Create a new notebook, upload your sources, and you are ready to go. No credit card, no setup. Now here is where things get really interesting, the new Studio panel. The Studio panel is on the right side of your screen inside any notebook. This is where all the outputs live, and Google just completely overhauled it. Before this update, you could only create one of each output type per notebook. One audio overview, one study guide, that was it. Now you can create and store multiple versions of the same output in a single notebook, and that is a huge unlock. The four main outputs you'll see at the top of the Studio panel are audio overview, video overview, mind map, and reports. You can generate any of these with a single click. Audio overviews are one of the most useful features in any AI tool right now. You click one button and NotebookLM creates a podcast-style conversation between two AI hosts who discuss your uploaded sources. It sounds natural, covers the key points, and you can even jump into the conversation yourself in interactive mode and ask the host questions directly. Audio overviews are now available in over 80 languages. So if you are creating content for a global audience, this is a serious time saver. But the big new addition is video overviews. Video overviews transform your uploaded documents into narrated slide videos. The AI pulls images, diagrams, quotes, and numbers from your actual source files and builds a visual presentation with an AI narrator explaining the content. You can choose between two formats: explainer for a comprehensive deep dive, and brief for a shorter version with quick key takeaways. You can pick the language, choose from visual styles like classic, whiteboard, watercolor, and retro print. And you can give it a steering prompt. You, for example, focus only on the cost analysis sections, or explain this assuming I am a beginner. Video overviews are now available in over 80 languages to all users. When I first started using NotebookLM seriously, I was honestly overwhelmed. There are so many ways to use it, and I kept wasting time on workflows that did not move the needle. That is when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out, link in the description. Now let me walk you through how to actually set this up. Go to notebooklm.google.com and sign in, create a new notebook, and give it a clear name based on your project. Upload your sources, drag and drop PDFs, paste a Google Doc link, add a YouTube URL, or paste raw text. Once your sources are loaded, NotebookLM automatically generates a quick briefing doc summarizing your content. Then head to the Studio panel on the right, click whichever output you want: audio overview, video overview, mind map, or report. Click the pencil icon on any Studio tile to customize format, language, visual style, and steering prompts before generating. And because you can now create multiple versions of each output, build different variations for different audiences, beginner versus expert, full overview versus quick brief, different languages, that is the full setup. Now let me show you how people are actually using this. First use case, turning research into learning materials. Upload a dense PDF, a research paper, or a long report. In seconds, you have an audio overview you can listen to while you commute, a video overview that visually explains the key concepts, a study guide, and a FAQ, all grounded in the exact document you uploaded. If you regularly need to get up to speed on new topics fast, this alone is worth it. Second, content repurposing. You have a long blog post, a PDF guide, or a detailed report you already wrote. Upload it, generate an audio overview, that is a podcast episode, generate a video overview, that is a training video, generate a study guide. That is a downloadable resource. You just turned one piece of content into multiple formats without writing anything new. Third, team knowledge bases. Create a shared notebook with all your internal documentation, SOPs, process guides, training materials, company policies. Share the notebook with your teams so they can chat directly with the documents and get instant answers. No more digging through folders or waiting on someone to reply. Fourth, onboarding and training. Upload your onboarding docs and process guides. Generate video overviews for different roles, so a new salesperson gets a different video than a new developer. This kind of role-specific training content used to take weeks to create. NotebookLM does it in minutes. Fifth, multi-language content. If you serve a global audience, generate audio and video overviews in over 80 languages with one click. Upload your English source material, and NotebookLM handles the translation and narration. One practical tip: instead of uploading lots of small files separately, consolidate them into a single Google Doc first. Use headings to organize the content, then upload that one file. NotebookLM reads all the content inside it but counts it as one source, which keeps your 50 source limit free for more variety. And one thing worth knowing, your uploaded documents are not used to train Google's AI models. Your data stays private within your account. If you need contractual privacy guarantees for sensitive business documents, the paid workspace plans cover that. Is the free plan enough? For most people, yes. The paid tiers mainly give you higher limits, more sources per notebook, and more output generations per day. Start free and upgrade only if you actually hit the limits. NotebookLM is free, takes 5 minutes to set up, and just got one of its biggest updates ever. The new studio panel, video overviews in 80+ languages, multiple outputs per notebook. This is one of the most practical AI tools available right now, and most people are sleeping on it. If you want to go deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences, what is working, what is not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip, no hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It has helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this video gave you value, hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you want more practical AI tutorials, and drop a comment below. What are you planning to use NotebookLM for? I read every single one. See you in the next one.